on workspace 3D modeling, we have some arc, two arc on other blade. Sorry, I grid, enable grid. We have some arc. Next step, on the tab mesh, activate the command modeling mesh rule surface. I don't know why in tab mesh, but this command may be in surface. Anyway, activate the command from the tab mesh panel primitives. Click left mouse button and on model field select first define a curve, some left way, and select second define curve in left. It's warning left, and we have mesh. If I under Ctrl Z and create and select first define a curve left and second define a curve right, we have another mesh, but we have mesh ruled surface.